Hey, Kira.
Hi, Daddy.
All right, we went to Vanderbilt today in Nashville. Tell me what you thought.
I really like Nashville. Like it was very cute and I liked. The breakfast shop we went to was really good. But in Vanderbilt, I liked it. I just think that it wouldn't rate my top out of the schools that we've been to.
All right, thank you.
Bye. Hi, Cole.
Hi, Kira.
Okay, so what did you think about Nashville and Vanderbilt?
Nashville, it's such a cool city. There's a ton of artwork. The breakfast place we went to was phenomenal. Vanderbilt, it was a beautiful campus, and I don't know if I really would want to go there because it was a bit different, but it was still really cool to go there and check it out.
Okay, thank you, Cole.
Yeah, no problem.
Hi, Paige.
Hey, Kira.
Okay, so what did you think about Nashville and Vanderbilt?
I am in love with Nashville. I think if I don't end up going to school anywhere near here, I will come back and work in their hospital because it was just such a cute town. Nashville is maybe the cutest thing ever. I really thought that the Vanderbilt campus was pretty. I liked their field and I just liked the feel of their town. I personally did not apply to Vanderbilt, but I think anybody who did would be so happy there. I totally understand why people would love it. But it's really small, which was kind of not something I was looking for. Personal opinion, but I was just really shocked. They have 7,000 undergrad students. That is that's crazy to me. But people will love it, so yeah, that was my opinion.
Okay, thank you, Paige.
Bye, Kira.
Hi, Mommy.
Hi, Kira.
Okay, so what did you think about Nashville and Vanderbilt?
I love Nashville. I would live in Nashville. I would hang out in Nashville. I could retire to Nashville. So Nashville was a big win. Vanderbilt is a really great school. Very impressive. Obviously, it's one of the top schools consistently, so it was really nice to kind of check out their facilities and things like that. I will say, note to all parents that are trying to do this during these days, you may get more out of the online tours rather than aimlessly wandering around the campus like we did. Even trying to use the map, we probably missed seeing some really good parts of the school. Going forward, we have a couple places that are not doing live tours. They offer a self-guided tour with a map, and we will be accessing that resource going forward. But Vanderbilt is a really good place. So I really liked it.
Thank you.
All right, I'm just gonna jump in here without anyone interviewing me. And this won't be about Vandy very much, other than we came through because we were coming through Nashville, and everyone said you got to go by Vandy. It's such a beautiful campus, and it is. It's immaculate. It reminds me of every northeastern, elite Ivy League college. I mean, very close to the campus of Brown, I think, from just a look and feel if you've ever been to Brown, which I love that campus. It's everything that you imagine it should be. I was shocked that it's 7,000 undergrads, and literally they were getting ready for a football game against LSU when we were there, and talked to the groundskeeper guys, security guys at the football stadium. I don't know how a school with 7,000 competes in the SEC. Truly impressive, when they do compete. So that's fantastic. We are only on day 3, and you can see the seams starting to come apart on some people. Not me, but some of the rest of them. Like, this is going to get interesting. Tomorrow's Ole Miss, and then on to Louisiana and LSU. So, looking forward to that. Hope you stay along with us. Talk to you later.